Thank you, Mr. Chair. It's House Bill 1700. I've been working on this about 3 years. I've been meeting with Sheriff's Association, the prosecutors, the state police, and everybody else in the world. And I think everybody's okay with this. Basically, the bill is basically cleanup language. A lot of it is recommended by the state police and the Sheriff's Association. The main thing it does is that you see on the page 1, line 26, it changes from a defense to an exception, and then on page 2, line 34, Representative Doug House suggested we put in unlawfully, and then line 12 there, it defines journey, and this is the way the state police recommended. So other than that, it's mostly all cleanup and updating language. I passed a copy of this out to all the members, and I ask everybody to get back with me if you have any questions or problems, and so I think everybody's okay with the bill.
All right, Representative Steele, you recognize for a question.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you for getting that to us, Representative Altes. It was helpful. I'm curious to know, does that language journey, is that in the Arkansas Constitution, or is that just statutory? I'm not just talking about your bill, but that language for as long as I'm aware of, at least generations, that language of being able to possess a weapon on a journey has always been law. I don't know if that's derived from the state constitution or if it was just statute for a long time.
I'm really not understanding your question. I have an Attorney General's opinion, and it says they are unable to supply a definition of the term because the General Assembly has not defined it.
Okay, so it's just it must mean it's just in the statutes then. That's what I was.
Yes. Now, there is a common law definition,
Okay.
a case law definition that says where one travels a distance from home sufficient to carry him beyond the circle of his neighbors and general acquaintances and outside the routine of his daily business, which is kind of a long, if you ask me, ambiguous definition. So I use the state police suggestion for a definition.
Okay, I'm just trying to make sure we weren't defining something that was in the Constitution. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Great. Any other questions from committee? Seeing none. Anybody signed up to speak for or against the bill? Seeing none. Representative Altes, do you want to close your bill?
Thank you. I'm close.
We've got a motion from Representative McElroy of do pass. All those in favor say aye. Aye. All those opposed? Looks like the ayes have it. Congratulations, you passed your bill.
Read House Bill 1700.
House Bill 1700 by Representative Altes and all, making technical corrections concerning possession of a handgun and other weapons in certain places.
Representative Altes, you're recognized to explain the bill.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker and members. This is mostly cleanup language from the state police. Line 26, first page, changes a defense to an exception. Page 2, line 12, that's their definition. And line 24, line 34, that's Representative Doug House's suggestion, and they're fine with all of this. The rest of it's all cleanup language. The Sheriff's Association, the prosecutors, and the chiefs, I think, are all okay with this. Appreciate a good vote.
Does anyone wish to speak against the bill? For the bill? If not, the question before the House is passage of House Bill 1700. Prepare the machine, Mr. Clerk. Has everyone voted? Has everyone voted? Cast at the balance with 82 yeas, 1 nay, and 0 present. You pass the bill.